Hello, Amazing All-Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for Number Corner. Let's look at our calendar for today, Friday, November 5th. We've had a lot going on with our calendar. We've seen this week we had a whole cookie, and the bear ate up the whole cookie. Then we had another whole cookie that was cut in half with 2 equal parts, and 2 dogs ate each part of that cookie. They had an equal part, 1/2 of the cookie. Wonder what we'll see on today's card for Friday, November 5th. Will it be a cookie? Will it be a bear? Will it be dogs? Let's find out. Whoa, it's one cookie, but it's different. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. On this cookie, the cookie has been cut into what we call fourths. Fourths. Interesting. We need to add that to our grid. Let's add that to our information. So we have fourths that we're adding to our information now. Fourths is how you spell fourths. And we have one cookie cut into 4 equal parts. So we've had a whole cookie for part of the week. We've had half with 1 whole cookie for part of the week. And today we have 1 whole cookie cut into fourths, 4 equal parts. Great job, all stars. We are going to continue on because as we continue to look at our calendar, we need to take care of our days in school. Wow, this is really, really growing. And I want you to see something. If we have 10, 20, 30, 40 days of school here, plus the 5 we were able to count, 45, we're going to be very close to the number 50. We're going to be very close to the number 50. I just added on another day. So now this makes 46 days that we've been together. After just a few more days, half of our chart will be filled in. Do you know what half would be? Half would be 50 days in school. 50 days. If we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, if we keep going up and fill this up, we'll have 50 days in school by filling in this whole side. So, that makes me think of some math. If we have opportunity to fill in 50 days on this side of our chart, this other side, once we fill it all up, will also be 50 days of school. And 50 on this side plus 50 on this side would make 100 days of school. Wow, our numbers really are getting bigger. Why don't we add our information for the day? We'll make it 46 days that we've been together. So we're going to take off all of this. We will change our number tree because it did change a little bit. We will now have 46 days in school with 4 10s, 4 groups of 10, and 6 1s that were by themselves. Our math equation is 40 plus 6. Our number tree would be 40 on one side, 6 on the other side, for a total of 46. And then, my dears, we are going to change our number word. Our number word is now going to be 46. I want you to see that there are different ways to show and represent this number 46. Fantastic job, All-Stars. Fantastic job. We are going to do one more thing. We have our calendar collector. Remember, this month we are collecting hours on our calendar. We are adding another hour to our calendar, so now we will have 5 o'clock on our calendar instead of the 4 from yesterday. That means I need to get the card that shows 5 o'clock on the analog clock. Do you see how that little hand is pointing towards the 5? And the big hand is towards the 12. And on our digital clock, 5 o'clock. I do need to change the time that is shown on the bottom and the time that is shown on our clock. So I am now going to keep my big hand pointing towards the 12. And my little hand, I'm going to draw it in, but I'm going to draw the little hand towards the 5. Do you see that? I'm drawing it in so it's facing the 5. And I am now going to show 5 o'clock. All-Stars, there is so much more we're going to do today with our number corner, but we're going to do it together as a group. So get ready. It's coming soon. Enjoy.